Hi guys, welcome to Celeb Gossip Entertainment, where we bring you the tea each and every day. Now guys, as we all know that Inno Sadiki lost her home, she lost her belongings, she lost everything, right? So her sister, in an attempt to assist her, she went to buy them a few clothes at H&M. So when she got there, she was just like to the cashier, you know what? I always give you guys clothes for charity. I always donate to you. So how about you guys give us discounts? I don't know if it's discounts and vouchers, but I will insert the video for you guys to see. So now the cashier was like, no, unfortunately, I cannot do that, you know. And then her sister, immediately after, and she, hey, guys, just please watch this video and then we'll discuss later.
Guys, we are buying clothes at H&M for my sister, and then I tell them I always bring clothes here for charity, right? You guys know that if you follow me. And I've got vouchers. You get like 15% vouchers or something on items when you bring clothes. I tell them, listen, we don't have vouchers. My sister doesn't have vouchers as well. Her house burned down. The cashier said, oh sorry, there's nothing I can do. Yo, wow. H&M, wow.
So her sister, guys, immediately after coming out of H&M, she takes her phone, she makes a video that she was at H&M. They don't want to give them discounts, and I think it's vouchers. They don't want to give them vouchers, and she explained that her sister's house burnt down. They don't have anything and they are always donating to them, so now it's their time to give back, you know. And the cashier was like, no, I'm sorry, we cannot help you at this moment. And you cannot blame the cashier, guys. The cashier is just doing her job, you know. She cannot make executive decisions on behalf of the company. Like, as a cashier, you are there to help people pay and then give them their change. That's it, you know. So the comments, people were just blazing on TikTok. People were not happy. They were not happy. They were like, what was the cashier supposed to do, Gant? Because it's not the cashier's fault. And when you look at that video, like, she is just saying, yeah, the cashier refused. The cashier does. Why, Sana? Didn't she just ask for the manager and then discuss this with the manager and then see where it goes? You know, cashiers are not there to make executive decisions, guys. They are not. And like, I don't know, man. Yes, people were so mad. Like, others were even asking, Gucci, H&M was supposed to give them free clothes, can't? Kanjan, guys, there's a lot of people who are losing their houses due to fire and all. But because when I always give them clothes to give to charity, now they owe you, or now, I really don't know, guys. I've never bought anything on air at H&M, so I don't know. Maybe when you buy clothes for a certain amount, they give you vouchers and discounts. I really don't know. So maybe now when she bought, she was qualifying for those discounts. I really don't know. But people were just like, no, man, these people are so entitled. Like, I don't know, guys. You know, people are just so mad. Like, they are even saying that everything to them is just content. Everything is content. So okay, guys, on other news, Wandi Ndlovu is back on Instagram, guys. She is back with a banger, okay? People were just laughing at her body, criticizing her body, but look at this, guys. Look at this. You know, I did say, Woody, guys, let's just give her a chance maybe to heal, you know. Guys, look at this. Look at that hourglass figure. Oh, I. You know what? They really did the things here. They really did the things, you know. And as I posted on my other video that she deleted all her pictures on Instagram, She deleted all her pictures. I guess she just wants to start her Instagram on a clean slate, with her new body, new content. Sana, as you can see, it says one post. So all the posts were deleted. Yeah, no, she is going to be posting Esana Mand because maybe she's just feeling better. She has healed, she's out and about. But guys, check out this video. No, the person who did this, they really did the things. They really did the things. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe. I will see you on my next one.